The subject of today's video is a review of John Crestani's affiliate marketing training program called the Super Affiliate System, or SAS. Hello, my name is Don Novak, and this is my video diary series of my experiences as an affiliate marketer. Please click on the thumbs up button below and also subscribe to my channel for weekly video updates on the world of affiliate marketing. You can also get 2 free affiliate marketing ebooks. Just click on the link below. Thank you. Quickly, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing involves earning a commission from 5 to 50% of the sales price by promoting a product or service made from another retailer, advertiser, or company. Affiliate programs are usually free to join, so you don't have to worry about high startup costs. However, beware of any affiliate program that charges you to join. Do your research first. Okay, the Super Affiliate System is an affiliate marketing course developed by John Crestani to show you how to get a piece of the massive $12 billion affiliate marketing industry. He guides you through his course and shows you how to make money even without owning your own products. I will review the Super Affiliate Marketing System to decide if it is really the best affiliate marketing course out there. I'll discuss whether the affiliate marketing industry is the right online business for you. Now, what do I like about John Crestani and his program? It's great for beginners. It has a lot of valuable content. John Crestani is reliable. His customer service will get back to you when you email them. It's easy to follow and understand for the most part. And of course, you can always review the videos if you can't figure something out. And there is a 30-day money-back guarantee. Now, the cons, what I didn't like about John Crestani and his Super Affiliate System. First of all, John Crestani's flamboyance, the helicopters, the girls in bikinis, the $100 bills shooting out of a gun in the Lamborghinis. He does not need all that pretense because he has the knowledge and experience to teach others about affiliate marketing. It is a bit expensive at $997. It is not for really experienced affiliate marketers, but it is an excellent start for beginners. The course could have used more advanced techniques, and they are working on that. John Crestani's Super Affiliate System is a training course that explains how to raise affiliate income to produce money from products you do not own. The concept is to have a landing page that will convert visitors into buyers while earning money off each sale. Crestani concentrates on using paid advertisements to generate visitors to your web page. Solo ads, Facebook ads, Google ads, and so forth. The Super Affiliate System is among the most intensive classes on the market, featuring more than 50 hours of content for 6 weeks. The system features tutorials and video lectures paired with quizzes and homework assignments to check the content's retention. The Super Affiliate System is developed to give affiliate marketers an extensive program for getting great affiliates. Thus, the coverage of this program is extensive. You can find the following information in the modules, and these are some of the modules in the course: Google ads, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, native ads, social ads, website creation, content creation, niche selection, affiliate networks, ClickFunnels, tracking and testing, scaling, advanced strategies. Okay, now who is John Crestani? John Crestani is a digital marketer and an entrepreneur that has been doing business online since 2011. He has evolved himself as an internet mogul within the entrepreneur community. Crestani began this voyage after getting laid off from his corporate work. He began affiliate marketing and found success in the medical niche. Since that time, Crestani has taught his affiliate marketing method to others and has been featured in many publications like Business Insider and Forbes. Now, how much is the Super Affiliate System? The Super Affiliate System costs $997. There's a payment plan alternative for 3 payments of $397 each, for a total of $1191. Super Affiliate System has a 30-day money-back guarantee. The money-back promise is quite daring, and we praise John Crestani for it. Obviously, you should not purchase the program with the intention to obtain a refund, and you'll be expected to show work if you wish to get a refund. The guarantee must be regarded as a means to reduce your risk, not as a means to get through the program less seriously. It must go without saying that you need to take it seriously if you invest $997 in a program. Now, what does the Super Affiliate System cover? 14 course modules with multiple teaching videos in each course module, followed by a quiz and then a final exam at the end. You can only access each module after 24 hours have passed. John does not want you to rush through the system without digesting what you just learned. There are also weekly live trainings webinars. One is free and the other is taught by John himself, and that does have a charge. And if you do pay for that training with John Crestani himself, you'll be online live with him, and you can ask him questions live, right on your computer. So, is the Super Affiliate System a scam? Not technically. You can make money with this program, but making money with affiliate marketing definitely isn't as easy as the company makes it sound. You have to be highly motivated. You have to be teachable. You have to be extremely focused. And the transition to a $50K to $100K full-time income in affiliate marketing could take as long as 2 years. So do not give up your day job quite yet. Now, driving traffic is extremely difficult. In order to do it successfully, you'll need at least to understand all the following things, if not be a ninja at them. These things include copywriting, Google ads, Facebook ads, content writing, website building, conversion optimization, automation, email marketing, click tracking, retargeting and remarketing, SEO, backlinking, and a lot more. Overall, the John Crestani Super Affiliate System course does deliver. It has a structured curriculum that will walk you through the entire practice of starting an internet affiliate business. Additionally, it has lots of extras that will provide you with an advantage when you begin building your affiliate marketing system. It has swipe files, free advertisement credits, ads that are already laid out for you, and etc. 100% money-back guarantee backs the program course. Therefore, the risk is minimal. We admire that John Crestani stands by the caliber of his course and supports it with that assurance. The course itself covers many crucial topics and absolutely delivers on the product sales page's promises. We just include one caveat. Affiliate marketing isn't an easy, simple thing. You really have to gut it out. Now, the simplest and the best affiliate coaching for beginners is Devin Brown and his 12-minute affiliate system. You can find this link below. The best Google ad and clickbait training are with John Crestani and his SAS training system. His link can be found below. I'm also currently enrolled in both the Pajama Profits training system with David Chevalier as my coach, as well as the Partner with Anthony training program, and my coach there is Anthony Morrison, who is also a giant in the online marketing business. And Anthony has the dollar numbers and the ClickFunnels $2 million awards to prove it. Plus, Anthony has hundreds of cutting-edge YouTube videos and tens of thousands of YouTube followers, just like John Crestani. Anthony Morrison's Complete Affiliate Marketing Video Training is a 30-step course with over 100 teaching videos that are the best and most up-to-date videos on the market. No internet stone is left unturned. Now, to get this world-class online training from Anthony Morrison, John Crestani, Devin Brown, or Pajama Profits, click on the links below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next week with more of my marketing video diary. Your comments are most appreciated. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and please click on the subscribe button below. This is Don Novak, and I'll see you next week with a new video to your continued affiliate marketing success.